Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. And for that you will need the settings for, so just scroll on your right next to the camera, scroll on right next to the camera, and then you will have always here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to go to the point About Phone. And here you will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap now that MIUI version number for 7 times. Below you can see then a countdown, and then you have finally a developer for the phone. But we have to find out the developer options. So for that we go just back one step here with the arrow, and then we are back in the general settings. And now we need to go to the point Additional Settings. And here always at the end of the list, almost at the end, we will have here the developer options. Yeah, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or so much more. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top. And yeah, that's it. If you go back one step, it's disappeared. No, but you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.